To start, I will be adding oil to the pan that I will be frying this abacha. I'm adding 170 ml of oil, less or a little more. After that, I'll go in with nicely finely chopped purple onions. I'm going to fry it along with blended onion, shrimp, and dawa dawa, which is oil beans. I blended them together because it was the fresh one, so this is it. I'll just pour it. If you don't have a shrimp, you can go ahead and use crayfish. It's just the same. I'll allow them to fry at least for 3 minutes on a low heat. Next is to go in with some salt, add some shrimp, the one that remains from the one I blended, and the okpaka or oil bean that I will be using for this. If you have enough, you will really like it when you are frying abacha. After that, I'll just go ahead and stir them very well to combine. Allow it to cook for a little, like 5 minutes more. Then this sauce is ready. What I just added now is a little water from the plantain burnt ash. You can also add akpu, yes, at this point, but I just added a little of it because I love so much the taste of that burnt plantain ash. When you sieve it, you get the water. So this is the abacha. I have already soaked them and washed them very finely. So next is to gently combine them until they have uniform color. Hello, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. Did I really welcome you? Of course, I will never do a video without saying hello. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for being in this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, for your share, for your like, for your comment. I so much appreciate it. Please, if you are here for the first time, take your seat, hit that red subscription button, and you are welcome. There are many beautiful videos that we upload here every week, so take a seat and make sure you have your plate ready, or if you are the type of licking scream, just be ready because everything here is yum yum. Thank you so much. Never mind me, I like to joke sometimes, and today I'm in a little mood of joking. Hope you are doing well. So what I'm just doing is to make sure that this abacha have a uniform color, as I said before. Believe me, this is getting so tasty, and by now the light is very low. When I mean very low, depending the pot you are using, this my my frying pan, no, you have to be careful, this will work. I reduce the light very well and continue stirring it until they are well combined. And now they are, everything is combined. I'll just go ahead and add otazi. Yeah, this otazi is coming from the freezer, but it's very fresh. So go ahead and add it. If you want other vegetable of your choice like spinach or garden egg leaves, if you have, that serve very well. I'll go ahead and add them and stir it a little more to combine. And the proteins we use, or the protein I use for this abacha, was a fish. I've already grilled them, and next you'll see me drop the fish and garnish them with tomato and onions, and that is it. The abacha is ready. Enjoy your summer treat. This is one of the summer trips you can enjoy abacha. Yeah, thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.